Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can, or rather explain to you guys how you retrieve the Horn of Jurgen Windcaller. So let's get right into it. The Horn of Jurgen Windcaller quest is part of the pretty much Greybeard initiation quest in Skyrim. So you'll get it automatically by doing the main storyline. And what you want to do first is go to Ustengrav. As you can see, this is its position on the map. It is northeast of Morthal and southeast of Solitude. So what you want to do is just go there, and it is pretty much a classic dungeon, which you need to complete. Once you actually complete the dungeon, you will get to the end where you won't see the Horn of Jurgen Windcaller. You will see a note. This note is pretty much telling you that somebody else took the horn, and after you read that note, you will know to go to Riften, and in Riften you have to find Delphine, which is the innkeeper of the inn. I don't know what the name of the inn is, however, it's the only one in Riften. You can't, in Riverwood, you can't miss it. But yeah, just go and talk to Delphine, and she will tell you that she is part of the Blades and that entire shebang. And after she finishes her speech, she will give you the horn, and after you get the horn, you will be able to go back to the Greybeards and give them the horn, and you're officially done with your initiation, or proof that you are the Dragonborn. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video. I beg you farewell.